Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe from HelloFresh. This is their Seitan tacos. Comes with a really nice recipe card. I always make sure I hold on to these so I can recreate the meals at a later date. And then we have all the ingredients inside the bag. I recently switched to the vegetarian meals, so Seitan is something completely new to me. I've never had it before. I guess it's popular with vegetarians and vegans, from what I read. So the first thing you want to do is prep all your ingredients. I have everything sliced and diced. And then I'm going to heat up some olive oil, and I'm going to cook the peppers and the onions for about 5 to 6 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to remove them from the pan and set them aside. I'm going to add a little bit of oil back to that pan, and I'm going to brown the pineapples. That should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to add the seitan to the pan and break it up so it's nice and crumbly. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of the Southwest spice that they sent me, and then some chipotle powder just to taste, depending on how hot you want it. And from there, you just cook it for about a minute or so just to make sure everything is really well incorporated. And then you're done. Very, very easy. So you can start to assemble your tacos. I added some sour cream, added the seitan mixture that had the pineapples in it. And then you can top with some diced onions, cilantro. You could serve it with a lime wedge, squeeze the lime juice on it. This had a lot of flavor. It was nice because it was sweet, but yet a little spicy at the same time. So I really enjoyed this meal. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh, I'll leave a promo code below that'll save you $40 off your first box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.